Have you ever noticed how tech giants like Samsung often reserve their most exciting features for select markets? The upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra is a perfect example of this strategy. While it's shaping up to be one of the most powerful smartphones on the market, there's an interesting twist. Samsung will release a 16GB RAM variant, but this version won't be available everywhere. Instead, it will be exclusive to a few select countries in Asia, including China, India, South Korea, and Vietnam. So what makes this version so special, and why is it being limited to certain markets? Let's dive in and see what's behind the hype surrounding the Galaxy S25 Ultra. By the way, if you haven't reserved the Galaxy S25 yet, click the link in the description to reserve now and get a chance to win $50 Samsung credit, up to $1,250 additional savings, and a chance to win $5,000 Samsung credit. Now let's explore the details. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will come with multiple configurations, and the 16GB RAM model will be the most powerful. This version will also offer generous storage options of 512GB and 1TB. While this is certainly appealing, there's a catch. This variant will only be available in a few select countries. If you live in China, India, South Korea, or Vietnam, you'll be able to grab the 16GB model, but for customers elsewhere, the 16GB option won't be available. Instead, you'll get the 12GB RAM version, which still offers remarkable performance but doesn't quite match the power of the 16GB variant. For most regions, including the United States and Europe, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will come with 12GB of RAM. This is more than enough for most users, offering fast multitasking and smooth gaming experiences. The 12GB model will also come in storage configurations of 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB. While the 12GB RAM version doesn't pack the same punch as the 16GB version, it's still a powerhouse in its own right. Whether you're using the phone for gaming, productivity, or streaming, the 12GB RAM configuration will deliver strong performance for most tasks. Now, regardless of which variant you choose, both the 12GB and 16GB models will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chip. This chip is designed to deliver top-tier performance, ensuring the Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most capable smartphones on the market. The Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chip is built for fast processing speeds and energy efficiency, meaning you can expect smooth performance, whether you're multitasking or playing graphics-intensive games. This ensures that the Galaxy S25 Ultra stands out as a flagship device, offering a premium experience no matter the region or configuration. Samsung's decision to limit the 16GB RAM version to a few specific markets is likely a strategic move. Countries like China, India, South Korea, and Vietnam are known for having large and tech-savvy populations, and these regions are highly receptive to premium devices. By releasing the 16GB RAM version in these areas, Samsung can cater to the demand for top-tier specifications in those markets. Meanwhile, in other regions, the 12GB RAM model will still be highly competitive, offering excellent performance without the extra RAM. This move also marks a return to high-performance devices from Samsung. The Galaxy S20 Ultra was the first phone from Samsung to feature 16GB of RAM, but the company scaled back this feature in later models like the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now, with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung is bringing back the 16GB variant, catering to enthusiasts who want the best performance possible from their smartphones. Another interesting development surrounding the Galaxy S25 Ultra is the processor. Initially, Samsung had planned to use its Exynos 2500 chip in the Galaxy S25 series for most regions. However, due to low production yields from Samsung's chip manufacturing process, the company shifted to the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chip for all variants of the S25 Ultra. This decision ensures that customers worldwide will have the same level of performance, eliminating concerns about regional differences in performance. As we approach the official launch of the Galaxy S25 series, excitement is building. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to be unveiled on January 22, with shipping scheduled to begin on February 3. The phones will likely hit store shelves by February 9 in many countries, giving eager fans the chance to pick up their devices. For those lucky enough to be in one of the select regions, the 16GB RAM version promises to be an incredibly powerful option. For everyone else, the 12GB RAM model is still an outstanding choice, delivering excellent performance at a slightly more affordable price. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Are you curious about how slim a smartphone can get while still packing in all the powerful features we love? Well, Samsung has something exciting in the works for 2025 with the Galaxy S25 series, and one model in particular is turning heads, the Galaxy S25 Slim. This sleek device is expected to launch alongside the base Galaxy S25, the Galaxy S25 Plus, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra, possibly at the Unpacked event coming up or in the following months. So what makes the Galaxy S25 Slim stand out from the crowd? The Galaxy S25 Slim's defining feature is its ultra-thin design. In fact, it's the thinnest in the S25 lineup, with a profile measuring just 6.4 millimeters. To put that in perspective, the regular Galaxy S25 is expected to be slightly thicker at 7.2 millimeters, while the Galaxy S25 Plus is a touch thicker, still at 7.3 millimeters. For those seeking even more premium features, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be the thickest at 8.2 millimeters. Yet, despite these variations, the Galaxy S25 Slim clearly stands out, offering a remarkable combination of style and practicality. However, while the Galaxy S25 Slim is impressively slim, it won't claim the title of the thinnest Samsung phone ever. That honor still belongs to the Galaxy 8, which was released back in 2015 and measured just 5.7 millimeters. But in the context of today's smartphone designs, the Galaxy S25 Slim is a striking example of how far we've come, balancing a slim profile with the power and performance users expect. If you're wondering how the Galaxy S25 Slim stacks up against Samsung's foldable devices, it still manages to hold its own. Take the Galaxy Z Fold 6, for example, which measures just 5.6 millimeters when unfolded. However, once it's folded, it becomes significantly thicker at 12.1 millimeters. Similarly, the Galaxy Z Flip 6, known for its compact design, measures 6.9 millimeters when unfolded. So, while the Galaxy S25 Slim may not be as thin as some foldables, when folded, it offers a more traditional ultra-slim design that is perfect for users who prefer a regular smartphone without the extra bulk of a foldable. Samsung is clearly pushing the envelope with its Galaxy S25 series, and the Slim model plays a big role in that. It isn't about breaking records for the thinnest phone, but about creating a device that offers excellent portability, a premium design, and reliable performance. The Galaxy S25 Slim is a perfect fit for those who prioritize aesthetics, portability, and a sleek, lightweight phone without compromising on essential features. In addition to the Galaxy S25 Slim, the S25 series will offer a range of options for different user needs. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will cater to those who want top-tier performance, cutting-edge technology, and larger displays, while the base and Plus models provide a great balance of power and affordability. But for those who want something that's both functional and stylish, the Galaxy S25 Slim is sure to be a standout choice. As technology continues to evolve, it's clear that consumers still want phones that are thinner, lighter, and easier to carry without sacrificing performance. The Galaxy S25 Slim delivers on this front, offering a sleek, modern device that fits perfectly in your hand and in your pocket, all while keeping up with the demands of today's smartphone users. Whether you're looking for a phone that's easy to handle, lightweight, or simply gorgeous, the Galaxy S25 Slim is sure to impress. Samsung's decision to release the Galaxy S25 Slim shows that even in a world where smartphones are constantly evolving, there's still room for innovation when it comes to design. It may not set any records for thinness, but it's certainly one of the most stylish and portable smartphones Samsung has created in recent years. The Galaxy S25 Slim will likely be a top choice for anyone looking to upgrade their phone in 2025. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.